Meaning of insectivore.
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 Insectivore. The term insectivore refers to an animal that primarily feeds on insects. Insectivores can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and deserts. These animals have specialized adaptations, such as long, pointed tongues and sharp teeth, that allow them to catch and consume their prey. Examples of insectivores include shrews, moles, hedgehogs, and some species of bats. Insectivores play an important role in controlling insect populations, which can have significant impacts on ecosystems. Additionally, they are an important food source for many predators, including birds of prey and carnivorous mammals.